Welcome to The Explainer. All right, let's talk about something that, let's be honest, kind of stings. Negative feedback. But what if all those complaints are actually a hidden treasure map? A map pointing you right to a better product? Well, today, we are grabbing our shovels and digging for that gold.
I want you to really think about this for a second. It sounds completely backward, doesn't it? But we're about to totally reframe how you think about criticism. We're going to stop seeing it as a failure and start treating it for what it is, an incredibly powerful strategic asset, just waiting for you to unlock it.
So here's our game plan for today. First, we're going to get our mindset right. Then, we'll put on our detective hats and sift through all the noise to find the real clues. After that, we'll let the data tell us where to focus our energy. And finally, we'll turn all that juicy insight into a rock-solid action plan. Let's dive in.
Okay, first things first. Before we can even think about sorting through feedback, we need a crystal clear mission. What are we actually trying to achieve by wading through all this criticism in the first place? This right here is our North Star. This one question is going to guide every single decision we make from here on out. And remember, we're not just playing whack-a-mole with minor bugs. No, we are on a mission to hunt down the biggest, most frustrating problems our users have and, well, get rid of them for good.
So, you've got this flood of comments coming in, right? It can feel like you're just drowning in negativity. So how do we bring some order to that chaos? Well, the key is to stop looking at them one by one and start sorting them into meaningful buckets.
And you'll find that pretty much all feedback falls into a few big categories. You've got your usability problems, people literally can't find what they're looking for. Then you have performance, is the whole thing just slow and clunky? Of course, there's always pricing and customer support. Just by doing this, by sorting things into these buckets, that messy pile of complaints starts to look a whole lot clearer.
And check this out. This is a perfect example. This one person's comment isn't just about one thing. They say it's confusing. That's a huge usability flag. And then they say it feels slower. Bam, that's performance, see? These real customer voices are what make all this data actually mean something.
Okay, so we've got our themes. Now for the million-dollar question. What do we fix first? This is the moment we stop guessing and start using actual data to point us in the right direction.
And boom, this is where it gets really interesting. The moment you just count the mentions for each theme, the biggest problem practically jumps off the screen. A staggering 45% of users are struggling with usability. That's not just a data point, people. That is a massive, blinking neon sign telling you exactly where the fire is.
Now we're going to add another layer, impact. It's not just about how many people complain, right? It's about how much it actually bothers them. So that confusing dashboard, not only is it the most frequent issue, it's also high impact. It's literally stopping people from getting things done. When you combine frequency with impact, you get this crystal clear, data-backed priority list. No more arguments. The data tells you what to fix first.
So, what's the point of all this amazing analysis if it just sits in a report somewhere gathering dust? Absolutely nothing. It's worthless. This final section is the most important one. It's all about turning these insights into a concrete plan of attack.
But wait, before we jump into solutions, we have to play doctor for a minute and ask why. Why is the dashboard confusing? Is it the layout or maybe the labels? Why are the load times slow? Is it bloated code or a server issue? See, root cause analysis is all about getting past the symptom, the cough, to find the actual disease, the infection that's causing it.
And this is how we make it happen. Our whole analysis boils down to this simple, powerful action plan. Step 1, what can we fix, like right now? These are your quick wins. Step 2, what are the bigger, chunkier projects that need to get on the schedule? And step 3, and listen, this might be the most crucial part, who is responsible and when is it due? Because let's be real, a plan without an owner and a deadline isn't really a plan at all, is it?
So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to transforming that painful feedback into your most powerful engine for growth. You have the tools, you have the roadmap, your customers have literally told you exactly what they need. The only question left is, what are you going to do about it?